If you use Canva and you're wondering why you can't adjust a photo inside a frame anymore by double-clicking, you're not going mad. Canva changed it. Double-click now opens the photo edit page instead of letting you reposition the image. But don't worry, you can still adjust your photos. I'll show you how in about 30 seconds. So here's what happened. Canva changed the double-click behaviour. Before, when you double-clicked a photo inside a frame, it will let you drag and reposition the image, zoom in, move it around, crop it. That's what everyone was used to. Now, double-clicking takes you to the photo edit page instead, where you see filters, adjust and effects. The actual repositioning mode is gone from double-click. Canva didn't warn anyone, and there's no setting to change it back. Fix 1. This is the quickest way. Single-click the photo inside the frame to select it. Don't double-click, just one click. Then look at the toolbar above your canvas. You'll see a crop button. Click that. This puts you straight into crop mode, the exact same mode that double-click used to open. You'll see the white handles on the corners. Drag the photo to reposition it. Use the handles to resize and click Done when you're happy. Fix 2. Right-click the photo inside the frame. From the menu that pops up, select Crop. This does exactly the same thing. It puts you into crop mode, where you can drag and reposition the photo inside the frame. Some people find this faster than the toolbar method, especially if you're already right-clicking to do other things. Once you're in crop mode, whether you got there from the toolbar or the right-click menu, you'll see white circle handles on the corners of the photo. Drag the photo itself to move it around inside the frame. Drag the corner handles to make the photo bigger or smaller. The frame stays the same size. You're just adjusting what part of the photo is visible inside it. When you're happy with the position, click Done or click anywhere outside the frame. If you're using Canva on your phone or tablet on the mobile app, double tapping a photo inside a frame still works the old way. It goes straight into crop mode. So this change only affects the desktop web version. If you're on mobile, it's grand. So to recap, 2 ways to adjust a photo inside a frame on desktop. Number 1, single-click the image, then click the crop button in the toolbar above. Number 2, right-click the image and select Crop from the menu. Both get you into the exact same crop mode that double-click used to. It's an extra click, which is annoying, but at least the feature is still there. That is it. Hopefully Canva will add an option to bring back the old double-click behaviour, but until then the crop button does the job.